Hey guys, it's Stacy here with Life's a Project. Check out this gorgeous upright sedum. It's called Autumn Fire. I love it. Got it last year, grew it in a hanging basket, and then I left it in that hanging basket over the winter. Early spring, cut it back right above ground level, and it flushed back beautifully. Recently, I transplanted it into one of my self-watering containers by Crescent Garden, and it is doing so great. I love it. So if you'd like to see more gardening content, check out my YouTube channel, Life's a Project. I'll see you later. Bye.